Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to my English world. I am so happy to be with you. Today, the theme of the lesson is a description of a modern city. My learning objectives are content, listening, and speaking. So, the first content. Use listening skills to provide sensitive feedback to peers. And listening, you should listen carefully to the audio, which based on the text in the book. And speaking, I'll ask you some questions and you must give me your answers. Children, look at the beautiful pictures. At first sight, breathtaking. Do you agree with me? Oh yes, I think that you certainly agree. Pay attention to the theme and description of a modern city. A description of a modern city is translated in Kazakh қазіргі заманғы қаланың сипаттамасы. Қазіргі заманғы қаланың сипаттамасы. Well, children, you look at three pictures. The first one is the skyscrapers of a modern Abu Dhabi. And the next is the Burj Khalifa. And the last one is the city skyline. How do you think? What kind of city is indicated here? And why? Yes, you're right, because today's lesson will be about Dubai. So I want to ask you some questions. I would be very glad if you write the answers to these questions in your copybook. Now it's the turn of the text. Exercise number 1 at page number 94, student's book. Just a minute.
Point 36. Unit 8. Reading. Exercise 1.
City in the sky. Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates, is different from other cities. It is a city of glass skyscrapers in the desert. One of these is enormous. It's the incredible Burj Khalifa skyscraper. It is 828 meters high and has got more than 160 floors. You can see it from about 100 kilometers away. The temperature in the desert is sometimes 50 degrees centigrade, but it's cool inside this modern building. This amazing skyscraper is large enough for 25,000 people. It has got a luxury hotel, offices, restaurants, fantastic swimming pools, libraries, a gym, and 900 expensive flats. From the visitor area on the 124th floor, the cars in the streets below are tiny. The tower has got 57 very fast lifts. But there are also lots of stairs if you've got lots of energy. The Burj Khalifa neighborhood is also a good place to live. There are parks and a large lake near the skyscraper. In addition, there's a big shopping center next to it, so you have everything you need nearby.
So children, our next slide is a new words, and you must repeat after me. Lift, lift. Museum, museum. Stairs, stairs. Lake, lake. Desert, desert, skyscraper, skyscraper, mountains, mountains, modern, modern. So, children, you have to learn by heart these new words. Our next task is the exercise number 2. You must read again this text and write true or false in your copybook. So our home task will be exercise number 1 at page number 94. You must retell the text in the next lesson. So our lesson is over. Goodbye, children.